Listen to me carefully, watch me. Hey, you got 50 cents? Oh, you ain't got it, man. It wasn't shit, though. I was just trying to see. Hey. Oh, bring that shit back. Bring that back. You just not gonna pick up that bottle like that.
Ask this bitch where his daddy from. He from where they catch elephants. Eat them up. Chop them up, eat them up. This bitch daddy from Africa some fucking where. Eating snakes and everything. This shit scared me when I saw the bitch when I was young. She's an ugly fucker. Ugly, nasty, dirty, son of a bitch. Look what we have here. We have a nasty bitch. A stinking hoe with a do-rag on.
Hey, look. Hey, look. Now look at the teeth. Look at the teeth. Bring it back, bitch. Bring that teeth back over. Give me it now. Put that camera on that teeth. Bring that motherfucker. The look. We just want the look. I want y'all to see the look teeth. Bring that motherfucker back. Tell me that he don't look like Jason without the mask. When he was a little baby when he was down in the water. If you ever seen Jason, you can't tell me he don't look like Jason when he was a kid. When he took the mask off of him. When Liz was like, I don't care, kill him. Leave him in the water.
We're in 2013 and I never seen no motherfucker dressed like this. He have on Mexican shit. Shit came from Walmart.
Hey,
shit came from Walmart.
He think he going to church. He thought he was going to church with this shit on.
This polo.
He gonna keep the time gonna tell us stuff. Fuck the polo part. That motherfucker is old as hell.
This bitch got on short armor pelt.
I want y'all to put that picture. Hey, look, put the cameras up to the house right there.
Everything.
If y'all see the house, if y'all see the house over there, and y'all go there, y'all see how good they look.
Hey, listen. Yo, they living like Vikings. You wonder why we call this bitch
named Tina Turner.
Get down there, you see the tower. I take his sister down there. Up there, get some air from the bitch while the munchies running past. Show me crack jokes about. Hold up. Wait. This is a dirty bitch. Look at this old shit while we riding right here. We're in 2013. Whoa! Look. Yeah. This old shit. We don't ride these no more.
Hey, look. But look though. Look though. Listen to me.
We don't ride. We don't ride shit like this.
Hey, listen to me. Look at this guy. And look at the feet.
Hey, listen. Look at this musky shoes. Hey, listen. He live first to first.
Hey, look.
He got a first of the month yesterday.
Hey, look.
He fucking broke right now.
I got keys. Look at
Hey, hold up.
Hey, watch this. Hold on. Oh, that's a car. Wait, hold on.
Hey, hold up. That shit old. He got the nerve to put a fucking alarm on that. We gonna fucking throw that. Run it to the fucking wall. Sell a motor. Nasty bitch. I ever catch this car.
Well, too bad we can't drive nothing in here because he don't have it outside.
Boy, it's fucking boring.
Oh, hold on, wait.
Shit.
Hey, look. Now, wait. Hold on, wait. Look, we gonna go get a rental. We gonna ride it for a minute, drink lane, get
Hey, listen. He mad. He gotta call my phone for the dope. He smoked mid. He gotta call me with the line.
He don't sell dope. Hey, he don't sell dope no more.
Right now.
He don't sell dope no more.
Hey, I tell nothing. I just said this.
Broke as fuck. We just took a whole jogging suit off the bitch. Got a cramp off at the car shop. He won't take it off. This bitch got a great Jones head on for 3 months.
Hold on.
Show the Jones, bitch.
He mad I fuck with his.
Show the Jones.
3 months.
3 months. 3 months roll. 3 months roll this bitch.
Hangs. Hold up.
Like balls, Paducah, and pussy. No, hold up. Booty shot.
3 months. He tell me I fuck with 3 months. If I fuck with his mom or